Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And if those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell for notifications. Also, if you're interested, I offer a free email course titled 5 Days to an Organized Life and Home. Information about the course is listed in the comment section or the description box below, but it is completely free and it actually gives you tips and suggestions on how you can have a company-ready home at all times. So in this video, I want to discuss with you some of the design trends that I'm hoping stay in 2021 that we're not going to bring forward in 2022. Now, this video, I'm not trying to offend anyone. This is my personal opinion and also some opinions of some other designers who didn't want to be named in this video, but let's just say it's not me alone. Some of these things are shared amongst various interior designers and interior design firms. So the first thing is word art. Now, word art was very popular at one time. You would go into someone's home and you would see live, life, love, or different things like that. It's a trend, and at one time it was nice, but let's kind of leave that in 2021 as we move forward in 2022 and just kind of let that stay behind. You know, what are your thoughts on that? Are you a word art lover, or do you feel like it's played its game, you know? The next one is gray everything. Now, at one time, gray was a wonderful color. In fact, my walls are gray, my sofa's gray. I love gray, but I don't want gray everything. You will see kitchens where the cabinets were gray, the granite was gray, the refrigerator things were stainless steel, the floor was gray, in the living room, everything would be gray. There would be no pop of color. It looks so institutional. And I'm like, no, this is not the home we want. Even if we want a warm home or a cool home, but just gray everything is definitely something that just looks so sterile that we, you know, trying to get out of. You know, our home is our haven. So we're trying to get out of that. The next, well, it's not really a design trend, but we used to see so many cluttered homes in 2021. Let's get rid of all that clutter. You know, we don't need every single thing in our home. We want to be able to go into our homes or have people come into our homes and see the things that we want to see. We don't want so much clutter to where it's just overwhelming and it'll give you a headache. So let's ditch all of the clutter. Another thing, and like I say, this is, you know, just a preference of some but not all, but a lot of people have realized that Shiplap has sailed. So if you are a lover of Shiplap, great. If you have it in your home, great. But let's not add Shiplap to our home. Let's leave that in 2021. We don't want to just bring those in 2022 or moving forward. It was a nice look, but let's just keep it where it is. The next look is mid-century modern. And that look was popular actually earlier in the 2020s, but people are realizing that they don't really like those things. It's not what we want. Those aren't, you know, what we want. You know, those elements of the 50s and 60s. We need to kind of let those stay. Now, personally, I'm not a traditional person or a modern person. I love the transitional style because it has elements of both. So if that's something that you're interested in, that's great. You can find so many samples, examples on like Pinterest and other design blogs, or even my own blog at that. So that's just something that we're going to try to get rid of, is that whole mid-century modern. Another thing that we're trying to, I would love to see us leave behind and never bring it back, is matchy matchy furniture. You know, it looks like you went into the furniture store and said, I want every piece of that collection. And what it does, it shows that you don't have your own individuality as far as your home, and you don't want your home to look like the showroom floor. You want it to show your own personality, the personality of you and your family and your home. So your items should be unique. So don't be afraid to get the sofa, but get a couch from another collection, or get chairs from another collection. On your nightstands or your end tables don't have to match your TV stand. So things like that, you know, be creative, because that's what gives you that look that you want in your home, that individual look. Last but not least, and I wasn't a fan of this when people were doing it. So when I saw that it was starting to leave, I was like, oh gosh, thank you. Sliding barn doors. That's up there with that shiplap. That is not my style at all. Now, if you were one of my clients and you wanted to do the whole sliding barn door thing, you know, definitely I'm going to give you what you want. But I'm so happy that that look is played out and no, people are no longer doing it. People are getting rid of those sliding barn doors. So I really hope you enjoyed this video with these trends that we want to leave in 2021 and that we're moving forward to new and interesting things in 2022. Also, when it comes to your home and trends, I actually recommend you don't actually do trends in your home. Do what works best for you. You know, this is your home and your trend should be you. My home is divine manner and our trend is divine. And that's what it is. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I post new videos on Thursday. My email newsletter goes out on Wednesday, and Tuesdays are my blog posts. So the information for my blog and my email newsletter is in the description box below if you're interested. So thank you very much for watching and have a divine day. Goodbye.